भाई, look at this view. सही व्यू पॉइंट है भाई. The view from the hotel that we are staying in. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, welcome back to another vlog, and we are set and ready है जाने के लिए towards Goa. कार की चाबी है, चला रहा. So we just came here in the night around 9 o'clock from Hyderabad, and we stayed here at a hotel called Fairfield by Marriott. Decent hotel. हाँ, हो गया ना? So we are checking out now. This was the room that we stayed in. Yeah. Yes. क्या parking ground किधर भी रुका. So this is my vlogging setup. छोटा सा घबरा कैमरा. Alright. So guys, this was the place we stayed in, Fairfield by Marriott. अभी निकल रहे हैं यहाँ से. So it will be another 125 kilometers to the hotel that we are staying in Goa. That is in Kondalim. And this is my car, Swift ZDI top end. क्या गिरा रहे हैं यहाँ पे? चलो.
Searching for your trace in the dark.
हेलीकॉप्टर लेके आ रुक. अब तो ड्रोन उड़ाना बनता है. This is somewhere on the way to Goa. We are just following the Google Maps and hey कपिल भाई, तो अच्छा है नई प्लेस. एक छोटा सा टाइम लैप्स इन 3 2 1. Here we go.
Losing myself in the endless memories of the end right from the start. You're an obsession in my head, I can't forget your eyes. Your kisses burn my skin, I feel so empty inside.
Alright people, this is the location that we थोड़ी देर के लिए रुक गए. I took a time lapse and few drone shots and यहाँ से चलो जाएंगे. We have to go to Goa as well, right? बहुत टाइम हो गया है, almost कितना 1:41 हो रहा. Check-in time is about 2 o'clock और अभी we are still almost about 90 kilometers to cover. तो बहुत टाइम है. And look at those guys. अभी भी full फोटो सेशन चलते रहा. Right? झरना छोटा सा अच्छा सा प्लेस दिखा, रुक दिए and then we are heading back. See ya on the road.
Empty streets, but I kept searching for your trace in the dark. Losing myself in the endless memories of the end right from the start. You're an obsession in my head, I can't forget your eyes.
Guys,
Kisses burn
this
my
is
skin,
so
I feel so
amazing. What a beautiful place we found, guys, on the way. I mean, I don't know where we are. The signals are completely out. We're not following GPS. We are just heading on to some random location and we just found a beautiful place here. Oh my god, this is so mesmerizing. Beautiful. Huh? हाँ. This is how close we are to the clouds. चलो भाई, चलो चलो निकलेंगे. We are getting late. डाल दो. पलटा लो गाड़ी. Some abandoned place, man. There's nothing out here. And what a beautiful viewpoint. पलटा लो. चल. Oh man, Breathtaking has some beautiful location on this place and look at this steep. And this is something which we have found. A छोटा सा झरना, look at that, a waterfall. Empty streets of Goa. At last we made it. क्या रे आगे यहाँ पे मगर कोई भी नहीं दिख रहा है, पूरा खाली खाली है. तो ये स्ट्रीट कैसा रहता भरा हुआ. पूरे बंदे बाप. तो लेफ्ट साइड राइट साइड में कैसा हंगामा रहता था.
गांव को चले गए ना रे, कोई नहीं यहाँ पे.
या Whoa. At last made it to the hotel. This is वेल फिनिक्स पार्क इन बाय रॅडिसन. मस्त आहे ना. This looks beautiful. कहाँ है रे शिप? किधर है?
शिराला बापटला.
सिराला बापटला है रे.
इंटरनेशनल वाला. That is called GOA.
किधर आया रे तू?
GOA कौन?
गान.